Have you ever been in a 1-hour meeting where the first 55 minutes were focused on why something won't work and only about 5 minutes on outcomes and solutions? Are you leading or working in a company that's the best in the industry at talking about what won't work? Do you see anxiety creep up whenever a new plan or strategy is introduced? This is called red side focus, and when it happens in an organization, the company becomes stuck. Our individual and collective focus is analogous to a color spectrum. Focus is always somewhere on the spectrum. At one end of the spectrum is the red side, where focus is on obstacles and what won't work. And the other is on the green side, where the focus is on outcomes and opportunities. Focus precedes behaviors and actions, which form habits setting the organization's culture. Consequently, yours and your team's focus influences culture and directly impacts your ability to realize your potential. The focus spectrum is a tool that creates awareness around focus, so you can lead yourself and others better. It's important to mention that red side focus is necessary and a natural progression with most people. The red side is where analysis is done that lays the groundwork for coming up with solutions. You just can't allow analysis to stand in the way of producing actions and outcomes. If we can put a man on the moon with 1960s technology, there is likely a solution to your challenge. A simple way of thinking about the focus spectrum is to make sure you spend more time on the green side, or outcomes, learning what will make it work, people-centric solutions, and creating opportunities, compared to the red side, which is where focus remains on obstacles, faults, why it won't work, and being self-centered, leading to anxiety and getting stuck. This is important because most people resist change and default to red side focus. Blendification requires change, growth, and development in order to reach potential. The focus spectrum is also incorporated into the strategy whiteboard and personal whiteboard to ensure your organization's focus and your personal focus becomes green side dominant.